Hi traders, and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Thursday the 24th of March. So we said that the FTSE needed to get a sustained break above 75.18 to 75.28 to see moves higher. We had aggressive support today at 74.03 to 74.10 with stronger support at a higher time frame of 73.25 to 73.35. But we also said the reaction around 74.57 to 74.67 at the open could give an indication of what direction the FTSE was going to look for in the first part of the session. So let's go and have a look at today's action. So as you can see, a very quiet and choppy day on the FTSE today. We've got a whole range of 40 points, which is very, very low in comparison to the volatility that we've seen in the market over the last sort of month or so. However, there was some opportunities. We did say the reaction to 74.57 to 67 would give an indication for the open, and you can see we opened up here and we held that 74.57 to 67, and we have subsequently held that as support all day. We had a couple of liquidity grabs here and here as well for opportunities to get long, and you could have just managed that into this resistance up here, which has held as well. So although a very low volatility day, nothing hugely high probability. The clue was there on the open that we held that 74.57 to 67, and we had a couple of opportunities later on in the session to where it held that as support. So now let's go and have a look at the DAX. So we said the 14.080 to 14.115 would be key support if seen today, and we said that if we held that when we tested it, we could see moves to 14.555 to 14.580, and we spoke about the 14.555 to 14.580 areas resistance, but still we were holding in that range between 14.080 to 14.115 and 14.555 to 14.580, which just meant that and we spoke yesterday about the market being quite choppy at the moment as well. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. So I just want to start off on the hourly chart here, where you can see this range that we have developed on the DAX here. You can see you've got the bottom of the range at 14.100 area, and the top of the range in this 14.560 area, and everything in between is just quite choppy. And as I said in yesterday's report, when that happens, sometimes it's best just to sit out the market, let the market show its next hand, wait for those really key areas in the market before you get involved. And if they don't hit those areas, then we just have to wait and be patient. We know that we've had some great opportunities in the DAX recently because of the market, because of the way the market's been behaving. But at the moment, the DAX especially is just going through a bit more of a difficult period to really pick high probability areas to trade from. Then, and even the high probability areas, they're not getting hit in session to be able to take advantage of. So with that, you can see on the DAX today, we pushed down. We did have a zone here at sort of 225 to 250, but it moved straight through it, and it's just been quite choppy today. We did hold this zone of support around 14.180, but it wasn't at that key support down at 14.080 to 14.115. So, and then as you can see, this zone here, this 225 to 250 zone, it was just quite choppy. No real strong reactions or anything. So not a lot of great high probability trades on DAX at the moment, and that's because we are trading in the middle of that range. So let's wait for the DAX to play its hand. Let's wait for it to shake this out, break out of the range, and then hopefully we can get some better opportunities in the DAX. But at the moment, let's just stick to those outer edges, stick to those high probability trade location areas, and we'll keep ourselves safe in the market. So I hope you found this useful, guys, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.